everyone. For the sequence given, we're going to find the sum of the first 10 terms. Now, there's a little trick to this one that we can use some algebra on, and I can rewrite these terms here as the sum of the first 10 terms, and for 1 I can write it as 10 minus 1 divided by 9. And then I can see a better pattern. The next term therefore would be 10 squared minus 1 divided by 9. Then I would have 10 cubed minus 1 divided by 9 plus ... plus, and then since we have 10 terms, it's going to be 10 to the power of 10 minus 1 divided by 9. All right, so that's, we can see a little bit of a pattern there, and I can factor out a 1/9. And what I'm going to do is just look at these right here. So this is going to be 10 plus 10 squared plus 10 cubed. The next one would be 10 to the power of 4 plus ... plus 10 to the power of 10. The problem is we left out these negative ones, but we have 10 of these. So if you have 10 times negative 1, that gives you negative 10. So we're going to have to subtract that back out altogether. So now that we have that, we can use our formula, and let's use this top one. These are the same, it's just rewritten. So I can write as 1/9. And now using our formula, our first term is 10. And then we have 10 to the power of 10, because we have 10 terms, minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. Now that's that piece, but then we still have this minus 10, so I'm going to put that right there. All right, now this equals 9, so I'm just going to put a 9 here. So basically I can simplify this as equal 1/9. When you multiply these two, this is going to be 10 to the power of 11, and then minus 10, and then minus 90. If I want everything to be divided by 9. So basically what I'm doing is I'm dividing this by 9, but then I have to multiply this by 9, so that turns to 90. All right, the next step I'm going to do is multiply these two and simplify this. So we're going to get 1 divided by 81, and again we had 10 to the power of 11 minus 10 minus 90. All right, this is going to equal 1 divided by 81, and we get 10 to the power of 11 minus 100. All right, let's see what we can do here. Let's factor out 100. If I factor out a 100, this right here, I can write this as 1 divided by 81, and I can write this as 100 times 10 to the power of 9 minus 100. Because this is 10 to the power of 2, so that gives me 2 plus 9 is 11. Now that will simplify. If I factor out 100, I get 100 divided by 81, and then we have 10 to the power of 9 minus 1. And this would be a good answer to have like this. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.